Hello, everybody. My name is Hannah Davidson, and I am going to be doing my ethical dilemma about something that is happening and going on within my field practicum. So, for my field practicum, I am at an agency who handles behavioral health, and we see an array of clients from families to children to adults, and it could be of any and every diagnosis from AA or people who struggle with alcohol, struggle with drugs, mental health issues like anxiety, depression, PTSD, things like that. A lot of refugees. We partner with Idaho JC's program, and we handle and help a lot of kids going through the juvie program who get court mandated to meet with us. So, for my ethical dilemma, I'm going to be talking about a family. For privacy and HIPAA, I will change their names. We will call them the Broussard family. So the Broussard family, it's a mom and a dad, and there are 6 children in the home. One of the children, who is the oldest, we'll call her Alyssa. She sees the med manager at our agency through our company. She is a nurse practitioner who can write prescriptions and increase or decrease the dosage of clients' medications based on their once a month meetings, basically checking in to see if the medication is doing what it's supposed to be doing, if it's helping, if it's not helping, if it needs to be increased, decreased, things like that. Alyssa is 17, so she's not a legal adult yet. She's still a minor, and she does not want her mom to know what her and the nurse practitioner, the med manager, are discussing. She doesn't want the med manager to tell her mother what kinds of conversations and the things that she's reporting to the med manager to be rediscussed later with her mother. So is in telling about the client's medications and if it's going to be changed or what the nurse practitioner thinks will be good or what is not working so well for the client. And on the other hand, the mother, will call her Danielle. Danielle thinks that she should be involved in every conversation and wants to know everything that's going on with Alyssa and her medications. So after Alyssa and the med manager meet, Danielle wants to go to the med manager and ask all these questions about what was being discussed and what Alyssa had said about her medications and how she's feeling and things like that. States that she wants to know what's going on with the child's medications and things like that. That way she can remind, the child about when to take it, to look out for signs and symptoms about the medications, maybe, changing behavior, things like that of what the mom has reported as to why she would like to be in the know and the loop of what is going on with her daughter's medications and things like that. The mom does know that Alyssa doesn't want the mom to know about what her and the med manager are discussing, but the mom doesn't really care about the way that the daughter feels and just really thinks that she should be in the know and the loop about what is going on. When the mother goes to the med manager and asks her for information, the med manager kind of doesn't really know what to do. She's kind of caught in the middle, and she's called me in because I am the assigned CBRS case manager to the client's case, and wants me to discuss with the family, some lines and boundaries that can be made there. And it's kind of hard with age because the child is technically still a minor, but she's almost an adult. And the client has threatened to not take medication and to discharge from services if her mom gets too involved with her life and her treatment plan and plan of action with her mental health. On the other hand, the mom threatens to report the med manager for using malpractice and for not keeping the mom in the loop when the mom is the primary caregiver of the client. And I just think that there are two sides to every story, and I get the daughter Alyssa wanting privacy and respect about what she is, taking as medication and how she is feeling, and wanting to keep that private. But I also, on the other hand, realize, the perspective through the mom's eyes and wanting to be in the loop with her child's plan of action and medication. The mom is pretty upset about the med manager and me not sharing this information about what is being discussed during their meetings. And I think that the mom is also threatening to leave the agency and is not wanting to receive services for the whole family when indeed everyone in the whole family, especially Alyssa, needs to be seen for services like CBRS and case management and especially med management. So I'm kind of not knowing what to do regarding this ethical dilemma, and I would appreciate any feedback that anybody has. I do know that there are pros and cons to both sides of this ethical dilemma, but the plan of action to take or the next steps to take is what I'm unsure on what to do. Thank you.